Are you a cowboy? Cowboy from the old cowboy times? You know what I'm saying. White Earp. All the other cowboys. Well, this is Professor Tinker's ProTinkerToys.com. This is our unboxing collection. This is basically the cowboy collection. You get two cowboys, the Rustler and the Lawman. You get two of the cowboy collections, plus you get 4 ounces of ammo, absolutely free. See, that's what you get when you buy from ProTinkerToys.com. You get free ammo. Okay, that's real important. We'll put that here, our ammo. Now, these are 12 shotters, and basically you take a bunch of ammo here. We'll take a couple ammos here. And you take one at a time, you put it in here like that. And then you take another one, put it in here like that, and you just cock that back like that. And then you're going to cock it back one more time, and there you go. You're ready for shooting. And you just keep pulling that trigger, and these bullets will just keep shooting off. Look at that, boom, boom. Now, what's really cool about Magnum Enterprises, they make these guns, baby. Make these guns in Rapid City, South Dakota. This is cowboy country, you know what I'm saying? And these are made of hard poplar wood. Now, you can find Chinese cheap-off knockoffs, and then you know why? Because they're Chinese cheap-off knockoffs, and they're cheap wood. These are hard poplar, baby. Hard poplar made by hard-working Americans. That's right, toy guns, baby. Pow, 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 pow. Cowboy collection, the ultimate in toy guns at ProTinkerToys.com.